I got him working on a 2J.
God, they got me working on a 2J. Oh shit. The whole world gonna see this.
I got him working on a 2J.
I gotta go. Where the hand go?
I got proof now.
You see what friends do for friends? That's what we do.
What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. This is part 15, guys, of the GS build. Finally, bear with me, we're coming to an end. Today's video, it's gonna be pretty much just getting the car running. Lando just called me, I want to say yesterday, that harness is done and we're ready to fire her up. We have Lance over there now with Lando. They're working, they're sorting everything out, you know, wiring the last touches and putting the map in and just kind of going over everything. What I just left work, I'm in my work truck now, actually just running around. Getting this let me see, where is it? I'm getting this oxygen sensor for the wideband, because the one that we had originally, I cut it to extend the cables and I kind of messed it up. I guess I had a resistor somewhere along the line, so I went to an auto parts, Advanced Auto Parts, and they didn't have it in stock, and they gave me another shop that was like I want to say like 5 or 6 miles away. So we're heading there now to pick it up and then going to Lando's, and hopefully, guys, today's the day she turns on. I'm excited, guys. I've been waiting, you know, probably I want to say like 14 months now since we started this build. Well, as you guys can see, we're 15 parts in already, so it's been a pretty long series. For everybody that has stuck around, I appreciate you guys. Remember, like, subscribe to the channel. It's the best way to support, guys, and you know, and keep me motivated to keep filming the content. Not only it's good for anybody that's, you know, wants to do it in the future, or for someone in the middle of it, or you know, to get ideas, whatnot. But it's, you know, I noticed with the super videos, the old ones, it's nice to be able to go back and actually look at the video and it's like, man, I did that, or you know, I wish I could have done this different. It's just kind of like, keeps you like a nice like, you know, like a nice refreshment of memories that you did on the build and then whatnot, you know. And obviously other guys that are gonna, you know, go into the same situation, they'll probably see it as a good thing, you know. So yeah, guys, I appreciate you guys, and just, you know, just wanted to throw it out there before I get to the car and kind of forget what the message is that I wanted to send everybody. They said they had one in stock. Hopefully they have it. I'm looking for one of these. I went to the other store and they said you guys had one in stock. Auction center.
But I don't see it yet.
Yeah. All right. So this store didn't have it. Time to go to the other store. Another, what is it? 5 miles down Major Street here, and I gotta hurry up because it's gonna start getting crazy busy with traffic. Man, never fails, man. When you're always rushing last minute, something comes up. Now we're like hunting down this little oxygen sensor. Raining. ETA is 2:09 now. By the time we get over there, it's 3 o'clock. Lance has a 5 o'clock appointment. Oh man, I hate rushing things, man. Stuck in traffic. Bridge is up. Oh man, frustrating. Got it? Damn thing got it. Yep. It's the third one I go to now. Alright, finally got the sensor after going to 3 different Advanced Auto Parts stores. Now, a 41-minute drive to Lando shop. ETA is 3 o'clock, so let's see. Hopefully the traffic doesn't get crazy, no accidents on the way. We can actually make it by 3. All right, about 10 minutes away from Lando's. Not only traffic we're fighting, but bad rain too, man. Gotta love South Florida. All right, put in some gas. Some 93 octane. That thing had no gas in it, like 0 gas in it. So. At least 5 gallons to get it going, I guess. Back on is good, or you need to check in one?
Did you get oil pressure yet, or this engine is not new?
Well, I mean, it was taken apart. New oil pump.
You not get oil pressure yet in Lando? Yeah. You're gonna need compressed here too.
Everything new.
Right here. From this thread.
Oh, from that fitting?
Yes.
Bad?
So, it's leaking right there and right here.
From that stupid cap?
You have Teflon?
Yeah. Alright, so as always, you guys know I like to share the good and the bad. So we get there, put gas, obviously it's the last clip you saw, and we had a couple of fuel leaks. Biggest one was from the return on the fuel rail in the middle. I hadn't put Teflon. We were going to put Teflon, and then we unscrewed it. Kind of messed up the thread there, and there's nowhere to get the fitting back on. So I need to get one of these new. And then on the injectors, the fuel hats, I don't know if they're just fit too loose or what, but gas is getting through the cap and the O-ring of the injector. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm driving. I'm trying to do everything. So between the injector and the cap, there's, you know, it's kind of like coming out a little bit, and you know, gas and leaks, it's not a good mix. So trying to get to a shop now, see if I can find something like, you know, something that replaces it, or maybe like a bigger O-ring and that fitting. Drop it off and then see if tomorrow we can take another rip at it. So yeah, just wanted to share that with you guys. Like I said, it's not always perfect, you know. These are builds, put them together. You know, I had no way of testing fuel pressure in the house, so there we go. That's the best thing I could say. All right, still same day.
In 1,000
almost
feet, turn right,
oh, that's my
then
GPS.
keep left.
It's almost 6 p.m. I was able to get the fittings. World Ride Racing, water temp sensor, and can't tell here, but injector hats. These black ones, I had the silver ones here, kind of driving in. Let me show you guys. So these silver ones that I got from Amazon are the ones I was using. They're called soft. Sorry. This is how soft they go in. You see there's a lot of kind of play between the O-ring and the cap. And these that I got from Worldwide, they're a lot more snug. So hopefully that makes up the difference of the little leak that they had. I'm honestly just filming it so you guys can see the frustration and the work behind these projects, because it's not always perfect, man. Everybody just thinks is, you know, like on video they see it start to finish, there's no headaches, you know, no leaks along the way. Not everything is perfect. It's just, you know, I'm kind of sharing this with you guys so you guys can see the ugly side of it and the pretty side, obviously, when we're enjoying the car or whatever. But there's steps to get to there. So just wanted to share that with you guys. All right, 8:18, still battling this thing. Put it back together. So now the injector hats are not leaking, but we have a leak from this O-ring back here at the end of the fuel rail. Giving up on it for tonight. I'm tired. Don't want to deal with this thing anymore. I haven't seen it in over a month and I'm already tired of looking at it again. We have Mr. Lando here, Island Boy Wiring, working on his next masterpiece here. It's a nice setup. This has to be for a 2J RB. Some R35 coils. Check out this harness, guys. From scratch. Man likes to spend his long hours at night here in peace by himself. I don't blame him, man. It's hot in the morning.
Yeah, man.
At least got nice AC insulated in here. Very nice.
Yep.
Check out this man's work. Highly recommend them. Anybody looking at this and you're looking for a wiring guy, make sure you hit up Island Boy. He's got you. Just tell him what you got and he'll get the recipe for you. All right guys, welcome back. This is day 2 of I guess trying to get the GS started at this point. It's not even an episode anymore, it's just a bunch of back and forth. We are here at Nippon Power picking up the AEM water temperature sensor. The one I got yesterday from Worldwide, it was a GM1 and it's a 3/8 MPT, it's not 1/8, so it's not the correct one. So yeah, let's go ahead, pick this up and then head to Lando's.
Well, then that's why.
Which one?
Oh, you know, transmission cooler than that white water.
Yeah, that's the same thing. Where's the handle?
Iron strikes again.
I got him working on a 2J.
God, they got me working on a 2J. Oh shit. The whole world gonna see this.
I got him working on a 2J.
I gotta go. Where the handle?
I got proof now.
You see what friends do for friends? That's what we do.
All right, moment of truth.
No problem. Still I get my money.
You gotta be careful. Lando like that a certain way. And
Ask him.
I let Kevin handle the GTR course. It's the one thing in the this 2J that he knows how to do.
oh, that's what you mean. Because it's wood, yeah. You got a car, right?
Good.
She's alive.
What happened?
Fuel leak?
Fuel leak?
No, power steering.
Oh, power steering?
That's how AEM works, buddy.
Oh man.
Oh, it's loose.
Oh, it's loose?
Yeah.
Oh man.
Yeah, but it's small.
Injector size of 1 trim. That's why I call it.
All right. Well, you heard it. You heard it. So, okay.
Plus, you want one more?
My bad.
What?
Call you back. Damn, I left a loose one.
It's part of the game.
Yeah.
What that is? Nothing happened over there.
You want to take it off?
No.
Might be easier. All right.
Race family.
Look who came by. Look who came by. Show you some love.
I've been missing for a little while.
We're asking about the car, man. This guy's all sad and depressed, man.
My car is in pieces. It'll hopefully be back together soon. I have to start filming again for you guys. But this thing, first time I see it in person, it's very nice. I'm not surprised all of Donnie's work is always top notch. Yeah, it looks really good.
Thank you, brother. Appreciate it, man.
And it's A340 powered. You guys take me for a ride.
That's right.
That's awesome.
Hey, man, look, I got Lance getting his hands dirty, man.
Yeah.
You don't see that.
He doesn't do that for me.
Hey, hey.
Nice.
Hey, don't piss him off, man. Lando, give him another drink.
Yeah, that's really cool. And that's
Man, nice fancy gauge. Yeah.
itself.
Okay.
When you click it over, it goes to manual. But at the same time, when you click it over to manual, it'll go from 4th to 3rd gear.
Okay.
So it'll drop a gear. And it'll never go higher than 3rd. Like if you're revving on 3rd gear and you want to go to 4th, you have to hit it over into drive.
So, no, yeah.
But Matthew,
Well, I'll leave it manual.
I had
Mean
Matthew
drive.
done it where his is, even when he goes over here,
Okay.
it doesn't drop a gear. You have to drop it here.
Oh, that works?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Up and
Yeah.
down.
Oh, it has a little button on the steering wheel. Oh, nice.
Show them once on the display.
So now you're in drive,
Uh-huh.
now you're in manual.
Oh, Lance, I need to put the thing, the wire. No. You need to.
Oh, nice. Cool. So that's one into manual.
Yeah.
All right.
And then you go over here.
Me not put the wire.
Oh, the wire not
All right.
connected.
And then it
Oh.
goes. All right, guys. So as you saw here, GS is running. Good deal, but we've got a small little couple issues that I need to adjust that I can't do here. I gotta be in the house. So as you see here, we have a small leak in the coolant pipe here. So radiator needs to come out and that needs to get rewelded. There's another one over here that I already got from Eddie back here on the back of the water pipe here, and these fittings here on top of the hat of the fuel pump are leaking as well. If you can see, we put some rags in there and it smells like pure gas in here. So we're gonna be towing it tomorrow. I'm gonna be towing it back home, and then I'll adjust those little issues in the house. But she's running. You know, she's got good oil pressure, good fuel pressure. We're good to go. So yeah, gonna address those, and then I guess we'll be heading for the dyno when we're done with that. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. It's been a stressful, I want to say 36 hours. Actually 24, it was just yesterday. But yeah, finally a sigh of relief. This thing runs, you know, I'm good. Finally, after 14 months, you know, she's running. So remember, guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.